Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. A meeting of doctors serving at various centers of Alpha Palliative Care was held in Kochi. The meeting, presided over by Chairman K.M. Noordin, took place at Fatima on K.C. Abraham Master Road in Panampilly Nagar. Medical Director Dr. Jose Babu delivered the welcome address. Discussions covered several key topics, including the challenges of Vision 2030, an impact study to assess the changes Alpha has brought to society, a proposed residential camp for Alpha Center office bearers in September, enhancing the efficiency of medical operations and activities among students. Community Director Suresh Sridharan, Governing Council members Dr. T.P. Jemila and Chandramohan Nair, Vision 2030 State Director Anjit Kumar, SAPC State Coordinator Vijan Wilson, and doctors such as Nithumol Abraham, Amina Majid, Amina Kamal, Sakina, Nimmi, and Mohammed Ali participated in the discussions. The flag-off ceremony for a newly acquired home care vehicle at the Alpha Iringalkuda Link Center was performed by Senior Medical Officer Dr. Nithumol Abraham. The event, presided over by President Vijay Thompson, also saw the distribution of cash prizes to 22 winners of the Patient Care Sponsorship Campaign. Hariharan Karumatra, the first prize winner, handed over the 5,000 rupee cash prize. N.V. Radha teacher delivered the welcome address, and Joint Secretary Asha Lata offered a vote of thanks. Secretary Elsamma Johnson spoke about Alpha and the campaign. O.S. Varghese and Pramila Ashokan extended their wishes. Notably, 12 of the prize winners donated their cash prizes back to Alpha for patient care. The Alpha Thalikkulam Center held a review meeting and a prize distribution ceremony for the winners of the Patient Care Sponsorship Campaign. The event was presided over by President Shaji Chalisheri, with Treasurer Thangamma Davis delivering the welcome address. Community Director Suresh Sridharan was the chief guest and presented the prizes to the winners. Secretary Vyasa Babu offered the vote of thanks. Center committee office bearers and staff members also attended the function. The Arush Club of SAPC was inaugurated in collaboration with the Public Health Department at Al-Azhar Group of Institutions, Thodupuya. The head of the Maxillofacial Surgery Department, Dr. Joy, delivered the presidential address and inaugurated the Arush Club. Principal Dr. Vinod, Senior Lecturer Dr. Arya, SAPC State Coordinator Vijan Wilson, Community Welfare Officer Lida Siriak, Student Representative Amlesh, Faculty Representative Dr. Prijitha, and Dr. Aditya led the event. A total of 50 people, including faculty and students, participated. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.